At ang pananagutan dito sa napakalawak at napakalaking pagnanakaw ng pera ng tao, kailangang unang-una makasuhan, eventually makulong, pero sinabi din niya na kailangan maibalik ang pera ng ating mga kababayan. Ang pera nating lahat, kailangan maibalik yan. And today is a huge milestone in that effort. After we filed the petition, the first petition against 25 people, including 20 DPWH personnel and 5 contractors. And we listed down all the respondents to the first complaint that we filed, which includes the now infamous BGC boys, Alcantara, Hernandez, Mendoza, et al., but also includes contractors such as Sara Discaya of St. Timothy Construction, Sally Santos of SIBS, Mr. Mark Arevalo of Wawaw. And we are here to announce that the banks of the personalities in the first petition that was filed with the Ombudsman, the banks have already been informed to freeze the accounts of these personalities, including those that I have mentioned already earlier.